Although we have released the new osCommerce 4 version, many shop owners continue to use systems based on osCommerce 2. As a result, we have made adjustments to the new PayPal module to support Express and APM alternative payment methods, ensuring compatibility with osCommerce 2-based systems. To test the new PayPal module on the front end, follow these guidelines. Select a product from the available options. Add the selected product to your cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. On the cart page, you will see the PayPal button based on the module's configuration settings. Also, let's check if the PayPal button is available on the login page. Let's continue and purchase from here clicking on the PayPal button. You can either log into your PayPal account as a buyer or proceed with creating an account. Complete the purchase by clicking on the Complete Purchase button. After successful payment, you will be directed to a confirmation page indicating that your order has been processed. Access the admin area and navigate to the Orders section to view the newly created order. It will have the status defined in the module settings. Click on the Edit button next to the order for more details. Within the order details, you can find information about the payment method and the transaction. To further test the functionality, add another product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Click on Continue button to pass the delivery information page. The payment methods chosen in the PayPal module settings show in the following way. Fill in the credit card information and click on Continue button. For the credit card payment, since there are no totals on the previous page, the Confirm page is shown on the following page. Click on Confirm Order button. You will see the success page that your order has been processed. Click on Orders and Orders tabs in the admin area. The order was created with the status configured in the module settings. Click on Edit button next to this order. You can find further information about the payment method and the transaction details. Add another product to your shopping cart and click on Checkout button. Click on Continue button to pass the delivery information page. Choose GiroPay payment method and click on Continue button. Click on Test Successful Payment button. Once again, you will see a success page confirming that your order has been processed. Visit the admin area, navigate to the Orders section, and find the newly created order with the configured status in the module settings. Click on the Edit button to access detailed information about the payment method and the transaction. See the links to the videos below demonstrating the new PayPal module integration with systems based on osCommerce 2.